Okay, so it is 5:40 in the morning. I am in the country of Manchester, the countryside, way deep into the country. And this here is a water tank. And I am going to have to draw some water to wash. I'm washing the old-fashioned way. As a matter of fact, more than 30 years ago, I had to go get water from my neighbor's house. Right. So this is one of the buckets that I'm going to use. I'm going to wash here and I'm going to rinse in this bucket right here. All right, so I'm putting that bucket down. And I have to make a few trips to the tank. There are a lot of trees surrounding this tank. But there's a mesh here to catch the leaves and all that stuff. Alright, that's to rinse my clothes. I haven't washed my hand in a while. Oh, the last time I was here, 2019. Alright. And by the way, the sun is not up yet. Actually, it's overcast. Let's see. It's overcast. Looks like it's gonna rain, but I'm gonna hang my clothes on. There is a line that extends from that post to that tree over there. So I'm gonna hang my clothes on that side. And believe it or not, it's gonna be dry in about, I wanna say, like 3 hours. All right. All right. One more time, don't answer. And I'm gonna show you this kitchen before I start washing. All right, so this I have like half a pan of water right there, and my mother leave this right here, so put that down. I'm gonna show you something else. So I'm gonna show you that kitchen that's about 50 years old. It's not a kitchen anymore. They use it for storage. But this little kitchen right here, take a look. This kitchen, everybody in the neighborhood when it rains would stop here. And I tell you, 15, 20 people would stand in this kitchen. This is where the best food was prepared, because my mother is just the best cook in the world. And that's no exaggeration. She's really good. Even today, she can do it at 80 plus years, close to 90. All right. So, I'm gonna wash my clothes. And then when I hang it up on the line, me and you guys will talk again. So, hold on. Let's see what I have to wash. I don't have much clothes to wash. Just a few pieces of stuff. I have one jeans, some t-shirt and stuff to wash. Alright. So, I'm gonna wash the clothes them, and then I hang it on the line. Or probably after me hang it on the line. If you get some clothespin, my mother's still asleep, and me go kind of wake her up. So we can get the clothespin them to hang out the clothes. I don't know which part it there. Alright? Cool. And this is a barbecue, by the way. Barbecue. I think that's what they call it. So this usually carries the water to the tank. Carries the water from this area here. and it would flow into the tank somehow. Oh well, me no know how. No, that's wrong. No, scrap that. So this pipe here that extends, it goes to the house, and then you have the water coming from there, coming here, and then going to the tank. Yeah, this was primarily used to like dry coffee. The barbecue here itself, this enclosed, this area right here, concrete looking sitting. So it was used to dry primarily coffee, pimento, and all of that. So they would spread it out here, peas or whatever. See, a lot of farmers live here. Yeah, that's how people sustain their lives. Lots of farming. Yeah, and I'll show you some of the farming stuff that goes on. Really good farming. Yeah, and most of these people export stuff to the US and Canada. So you have the banana. Oh, this thing here, look. This is Nesberry. I hope you can see it. Nesberry. My mother sell a lot of this stuff. So somebody would come and get like a whole container. It's more like probably the equivalent of this bucket here. And then we pay her like $5 for it. It would hold about probably more than 100 Nesberry, and that's all she would get for it. But anyway, that's another story. So when me put this stuff on the line, me go show you. So half an hour later, me done. I ring out my clothes and me start put some of them on the line. This is it. This is how you do it. Country style, Jamaica style, poorer people style, richer people style. This is how you do it. Nice and easy. Yep. This is beautiful. Beautiful landscape, ain't it? Yep. So this is it. It's a beautiful day, according to Bruno Mars. I think he's the one that sings the song there.